Good morning, first graders! And since it's Tuesday today and our Teddy Bear Tuesday was very popular, I want it to be a Teddy Bear Tuesday. Oh, the pillow edition. So pick a favorite pillow and bring it with you as you work through the day. Don't forget about our Zoom whole group morning meeting today. It's Tuesday, and I want to see all of you at 9 o'clock so that we can talk a little bit more about our week, okay, and what you have in store for you today. Now, after our Zoom meeting, you can get started by doing a reading record from the story that I'm going to read aloud for you, or just choose a book from your home library. Okay? Now, this is the fourth week of our inquiry, and we have done three experiments so far. The first one, solids and light. The second one was solids and liquid. And the third one was when everybody chose their own. Okay? This week, I want you to start thinking of one final, super final experiment that you would like to share for a science fair. Yes, that's right. Next week, we should have a science fair to share to everybody in the whole wide world. Yep, we're gonna make some videos about the experiment that you chose. So, from the three experiments that you've done, you can choose one that we have already done, but just improve it and make sure to record about what you're doing. So, you can choose the first one about solids and light. You can choose the second one about solids and liquid. Or you can choose the third one, your independent and individual experiment. But this time, if you're going to do it and if you're going to write it, you have to write it so that you can already share it with the whole world. You have an extra blank experiment sheet in your packet in the week 4 pack that I sent you. You can use it to rewrite your work for your experiment or even come up with a whole new one in case you want to for your final and fourth experiment. Complete the experiment sheet and take wonderful photos and wonderful videos of your work so that it will be nice when we make a video of them all together. Okay? Just like what I'm doing now. So, this is what we're gonna get ready for as a science fair experiment. So, get ready to prepare your work this week until next week so that we can have a science experiment online. Okay? So, today, just think of one final experiment. You can choose from what we've done so far, the three, or make a brand new experiment. It's all up to you. But this time, you have to do your very neat and creative writing by marking it with colored pens or tracing your pencil works, drawing as nice as you can in your experiment sheets so that when we share it with everyone, it will be the best experiment sheet they can see. Okay? Come up with one, choose it, and get ready to write it in your experiment sheet for week 4. Then you have to do it again. Why? Because we did not take videos of your experiment yet. And this time we need videos of you doing your experiment to show to everyone else. So get started with your thinking brain and plan it. And then the next few days, get ready to record using video about your experiments. Okay? If you can take wonderful photos, that would be good too. But you have to do it step by step. so that your science fair video will be complete and perfect. Okay? So, that's just it for the unit of inquiry today. Just get ready for your next and final experiment using great writing for your experiment sheet with tracing of markers, and then taking photos and videos of you doing your experiments well. Okay? For math, just get your classmates' answers for your own survey and try to do your tally sheet and bar graph from your week 4 pack. Okay? This is about your survey for your own questions. If you will not be able to finish this today, you can still continue this one tomorrow. Okay? And since it's Tuesday today, you are going to keep learning about digital devices and what they are for. So go to Edmodo to find out what Mr. Raphael has in store for you. Okay? I'll see you in a bit in our Zoom meeting at 9 o'clock. And if you cannot join, remember, I will always try to call you on WhatsApp after the Zoom video calls. Okay? Can't call you at the same time, not now, not yet, but I will try to call you and talk to you before or after the Zoom meeting. Okay? Have a nice day, everyone. See you in a bit.